Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a moving zoom video using a picture on CapCut. So first, of course, you need to add a picture to CapCut, and then after that, just add a keyframe at the beginning of the picture and then zoom it in like this, then move forward a bit and then just move the picture to the left or right, that's up to you, or up and down. I'm going to move it like this, then move forward again, and then just move it again, your picture like so. So you can just move it freely, that's up to you. Okay, this is the end. Okay, so that's it, and here the result will be like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, click on thanks, and also comment if you have any question. Bye.